Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have come up with a fascinating story of the new king of Egypt, Mohamed Salah, also known as Mo Salah. He is considered to be one of the best finishers of all times. With a total goal tally of 287 goals, 140 assists and 597 appearances for his club. Born as a twin in the village of Nagreg, little Salah aspired to be a footballer, keeping Ronaldo and Zinedine Zidane as his ideals. At the age of 14, he got into his first training camp at El Maclon FC in Nash City, which was 151 kilometers from his village, which took 3 hours of journey to reach his camp. But in the dilemma of his mindset, his dreams won every day. He started his coaching under his first coach, El Shishini, who was an Egyptian defender himself in his days and represented Egypt in various stages. He says, "When I coached the under-16 team of Arab contractors, I had 5 fullbacks and Salah was one of them. In one game in the under-16 Cairo League, we were playing against NP, which has a very strong youth setup. We won 4-0 and on that day, Salah started at left back and wasted no less than 5 one-on-one chances to score. What I saw was not the chances he missed, but his ability to dribble from the left back position until he was one-on-one with the goalkeeper. All the running took something away from him, so he wasted the chances. But after this game, I saw Salah crying because of the chances he missed. He was weeping. On that day, I gave the player who scored 3 goals 50 Egyptian pound and also gave Salah 25 pounds. From that day onwards, I decided to play Salah as a right winger. I told him he would be the team's top goal scorer in both leagues, the under-16 Cairo League and under-17 National Wide League. I coached both teams and played Salah in both the leagues. By the end of season, he scored 35 goals combined. Since then, he has never stopped scoring. And the rest is history. Talking about his career, Salah started his senior career in 2010 playing for Al Maqaulun Al Arab, departing in 2012 to join Basel, where he won 2 Swiss Super League titles. In 2014, Salah joined Chelsea for a reported fee of 11 million pounds, but limited game time led to successive loan to Roma, who later signed him permanently for 15 million euro. In the 16 and 17 season, Salah was a key figure for Roma's unsuccessful title bid, reaching double figures in both goals and assists. In 2017, Salah was transferred to Liverpool for 36.9 million euros, a club record at that time. In his first season, he set the record for most Premier League goals scored, that was 32 in 38 game seasons, and helped Liverpool to 2018 UEFA Champions League final, having formed and formidable attacking with trio with Roberto Firmino and Sadio Mane after the departure of Philippe Coutinho. Since then, Salah has won FA Cup, EFL Cup and FA Community Shield and achieved a numerous individual accolades, including 2 PFA Player of the Year award, 3 Premier League Golden Boots, the Premier League Player of the Season, the Premier League Playmaker of the Season, finished 3rd for the Best FIFA Men's Player in 2018 and 21 and finished 5th in the 2019 and 2022 FIFA Ballon d'Or. He received the 2018 FIFA Puskas Award for his winning strike in the first Merseyside derby of the 2017 and 18 season, and he is one of the best players of Liverpool in the season of 2023 and 24. That was the story of Mo Salah. To take it as an inspiration, no matter how hard your dreams are, if you strive to achieve it with the perfect guidance, you are tend to achieve the success that is written for you in your destiny. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be connected for the future stories to come.